Oh, hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Freya. I love baking, cooking, and sharing simple basic recipes from my tried and true recipe collection. And for today's video, I'm going to share my very best recipe of berry muffin. Let's start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut into cubes the unsalted butter and melt this on top of the simmering water until fully melted, and let it cool for a bit. In another bowl, crack the eggs, pour the melted butter, the buttermilk, granulated sugar, vanilla, and whisk it all together until well combined. Now we can add the sifted all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and set this aside. In this recipe, I'm going to use a frozen blueberries. So first, prepare these frozen blueberries from the package and separate each blueberry. And then toss this into 1 to 2 teaspoon flour before adding this to the flour mixture. And stir and fold all together gently so as not to crush and bleed the berries. Mix until the batter is just combined. Don't overmix or you will have a tough muffin. Then use a scoop or any small measuring cup to fill the liners with the batter. Fill just about 2/3 full and sprinkle with granulated sugar, or if you have turbinado sugar, it's better. So bake this for about 16 to 18 minutes until the tops springs back lightly to the touch. So remove it from the oven and immediately remove the muffins from the tins to cool completely on a wire rack. And look how perfectly it was baked. They are soft, fluffy, and so tasty. To store this longer, you can individually pack this, seal, and put it in the box for several days. And freeze if you want to store this for a month or until 3 months. You can sell this or just give this as a gift for any occasion. So I hope you have enjoyed my video and consider subscribing now. Thank you for watching. Eat, enjoy, and love. See you!